Hi, Saikal.
Hello, sir.
What is your demo today?
So today I work with a task which I called how to pull the EC2s IDs through Lamdba and Boto3. For this task, we will use the S3 service. We will create EC2, and also we will create Lambda function. And through the Boto script, we will create instances, and we will get these instance IDs through the CSV files where we will upload on the S3 bucket.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes. So Lambda, it's the serverless computing services. This is offered by Amazon. So it allows us to run application or execute code without the management or servers. So Lambda, this is good because it's reduced the efforts, resources, and expenses associated with buying, maintaining, and replacing the infrastructure and hardware too. Also, it's good for scale automatically from a few requests per day up to thousands of requests per second. So Lambda, it's the future enable users to trigger Lambda function over 200 AWS services and software service applications. Also, Lambda offer users the flexibility to pay only for the computing they use it. So you're paying only for service which you will use. So it's not gonna be charge you more than you are not use it. For this task, we will first of all create IAM role for this Lambda services. Also, we need to create S3 bucket, and I need to upload some empty CSV file, or you can put or you have put some existing CSV file. Also, you can create Lambda function and upload the code. After that, we need to configure a test event inside Lambda and install Python on Boto3 and configure AWS CLI. We need to create EC2 instance for using Boto3 and installing Python. We need to verify the files in S3. When the code will be start working, it's gonna be create for us the EC2s, which this code will provide to creating instance for us. And also on this CSV file, we can see the ID numbers of our creation instances. And after that, when we will finish all of this performance, I will show you how we can delete EC2 instance using Boto3 code. So let's get started. The first of all, what we need to do on this task, we need to create IAM role. So I already have this IAM role. I can show you. So you have to go to IAM on search tab on the AWS Services Console. So I have clicked to roles. I call this role Lambda access role. If I click here, on this role, you have to get permission for Amazon S3 full access. And also you have to get permission for Amazon EC2 read-only access. So you're just creating this role for Lambda function and you have to save it. The first task I show on the pictures how it's usually doing. So I don't need to do it because I already have this role. So next task, what we need to do, we need to create AWS S3 bucket and upload one empty CSV file. So we go to AWS console. Let me go to S3 bucket. I need to create one bucket. Let me create one bucket. Okay. To create one bucket, let's call this bucket Oregon test Boto3. And this bucket would be on US West Oregon, US West 2. So all other configuration about the object ownership, public accessible setting for this bucket version, all of this configuration I will be used by default. So go and create bucket. So my bucket is created. Now I want to upload one CSV file here. So go to the bucket, click upload, add files. I have one CSV file here, so I want to upload this. So upload. Yes, it's status succeed. So next step, what I need to do, I want to create Lambda function. So we already create S3 bucket and we upload one CSV file here. So next step, I want to create AWS Lambda. So for this, I'm going to console and click, let me duplicate here, tab. So this is my S3. So here, go to search button and search Lambda. Go to create function. Create function, we will get after from scratch. So I will give the function name. For function name, I will give the Oregon Lambda. For runtime, I will choose Python 3.7. And for permission, click use an existing role. And here I have the role for Lambda access role. So create function. So it's successful create function Oregon Lambda. Next step, what I need to do, I want to upload code files here. So here I need to use the Boto3 code. Let me give some explanation after when I will. So I need just copy paste and put it on my Lambda function. So this is first of all, this is Boto3. So Boto3 is the Amazon Web Services SDK for Python, which allows Python developers write some software code. So next step, what it's the import CSV. So this it mean I will be use the CSV file, and next for import URLIB, it means it's the library in Python is used to open and read data from URLs from the internet on the internet. So next step, connect S3 and EC2 to client. So on this code we will describe. So we will be created two clients, two services. First it's S3 and second it's EC2. EC2, and here we can see the S3 client is the client for S3 services, and EC2 is for the EC2 services. Lambda handler event context, it means it's parameters which contain information about the current execution environment. And the filters is the list of dictionaries that will be used for the filters. So for the values we will give in running, or we can give shutdown or termination or stop. So this is values for EC2. After that, on this code, we will give information about our local file name. So my local file name will be identity.csv. File, we will downloading it from S3 bucket. Now with open this line, we will specify the path where is the Boto3 will be used my file. So it's gonna be take from TMP. And also upload modifier files, and here we uploading our files to S3. So this is the code how it looks like. So next step, what I need to do, I need to click on test and configure test event. Test event action, we will choose create new event. Event name I will call Oregon event. And it's going to be private. So for JSON format, I will use S3 put. So this is format JSON. Here I will be specify my let me go and check. Yes, it's Oregon. I just want to make sure I'm on right way with my region. So click on test, Oregon event. For the JSON format code, I will be put some configuration. So for bucket name, I will be use my bucket name, which I created. So my bucket name is Oregon test Boto3. Oregon test Boto3. Boto3. And here I will be specify the bucket name, Oregon test Boto3. And for test key name, identity.csv file. So I'm saving this event and click on deploy. So if I go to test, it give me error. Let me local file name. I need to specify path. So if I go to deploy, go to test. Now it succeeded. So it successfully deploy my code. So next step, what I need to do. I have to, after uploading this code, I have to configure test event, what we already did. So next step, what I need to do, I need to install EC2 instance, launch EC2 instance, and on this instance, I have to install AWS CLI. I need to configure it. After that, I need to install Python 3 and install pip3 version and install the Boto3. So let me go to my, let me duplicate it, tab. So go to EC2. I'm on Oregon, US West 2. So I'm going to launch instance. Let's give the name test demo. Ubuntu. I will choose Ubuntu 20.4. It's T2 micro. Keeper Oregon. You can create your new keeper. I will use my existing keepers. The network setting, I'm using default VPC and availability zone, and my IP should be enabled. For firewall security groups, I will allow SSH and HTTP. So launch instance. So go to the instance. Let me wait until my instance will start running. So my instance it's running. Let me go to connect, take SSH key. So now let me open that new terminal. So let me go to my Visual Code. Here I'm going to download because my key on downloads folders. Here copy paste my SSH credentials. So next what I need to do, first of all, I need to update my service. For this I'm using the command sudo apt update. So after updating, I will install AWS CLI. Sudo apt install AWS CLI -y. It's yes for confirmation. So it successfully installed. Next, what I need to do, I need to configure. So AWS configure. And I need to give credentials, which I will put here. So it should be access key and secret key. So here I have my access key. I'm copy here and paste to my terminal. Next, I need to provide my secret key. So the region, I will specify US West 2, Oregon, and just press for default output format. So after that, I need to install Python 3 after configuration. So for this, I'm running command sudo apt get install -y for confirmation. Yes, Python 3. So it's all installed for me. Next, I wanna verify Python 3 -- version. Yes, and it's already updated version 3.8.10. Next, I want to install Python 3 pip. Get -y install Python 3 pip. So after installing, I need to verify the pip3 version. Let's verify. It's 20.0.2. And next, what I need to do, I need to install Boto3. So let's install Boto3. Now I want to create EC2 instance using Boto3. So for this, I want to run command. I want to create one folder, and then I want to create one EC2 instance using Boto3. Let's say sudo mkdir go to Lamdba. So here I want to show you how to create EC2 using Boto3, we will use this code. So the code would be look like on this format: import Boto3 EC2 instance. We need to here they give the instance ID number, image ID number. Instance I will be put 1 up to 2 or 3, how much instance I want to create. So I can specify here the instance type. I will choose 2T micro. You can choose T3 micro. And here we need to specify our key name. So let me just copy this code, the insert. So for image ID, I have to go to the EC2. For instance, go to launch instance. And here I want to choose the Ubuntu version 20.4. So here I want to take the AMI for the new my Amazon image ID. So let me copy here. So here I want to give the image ID name, the numbers. So 89, D89, D89. Let me give the maximum count. It's not to 3 instance. It's gonna be create for me. Instance type T2 micro, and here I will be specify my key name. So my key name is Oregon. I can show it here. So I'm go to the instance. This is my running instance. When you go to here, you can see that my key pair name is Oregon, which I am specifying on my code, Oregon. So let me create it. So now I'm running command Python 3 ec2.py. Just enter. So now I need to go to EC2 console and verify my 3 instances creating or not. So I'm refreshing here. So you see that I'm creating EC2 instances using the Boto3 code. So this is the instance type T2 micro. This is the instance ID numbers. So if I'm going to my Lambda function and I'm pressing on test, here I'm seeing my creating IDs of my EC2. So let's verify one of that's ending AB9, one of the 1993, BDD5 and 0431. Let's verify. So it's 1993, AB9, BDD5 and 0431. Yes, it's everything is matched. Now I want to go to my EC2 S3 bucket and I want to download my CSV file here. So I'm go to my bucket name. Let me go to my bucket. Here I want to download my file. And here you see on my CSV file, you can see all the instances IDs on this, like on the spreadsheet, which is same on my creating let me save it. So I want to show you here. So this is so on CSV file you can see my ID. It's the same which is on the instances running, and these ID numbers I take from the S3 bucket on my CSV file. So how cool is this? So next step, I want to show you. So we already verified. Next step, I want to show you how we can terminate it, creating instances using Boto3. So this is the code for terminating instance. Let me go to my terminal and I want to show you. So let me sudo vi terminate that py. So here I want to put this code. Boto3 it's case sensitive, so I want here to specify the IAM ID numbers of one of the instance which I want delete. So I want to show you if you don't need one of the instance, how it's look like. Let me delete 1993. So I can take copy from here, or let me take here, copy, and go to the Visual Code, paste. Now I'm going to my instance, and here you can see the ID number ending 1993 is shutting down. So this is the way how you can create delete EC2 instance using Boto3, and also using the Lambda function, upload CSV file to the S3 bucket, and through the CSV file you can see all the ID numbers of your instances. So this is all task what I want to show you today. Here you can find the references documentation which I used for this task, and also who provide me to do this. This is my coach, Mr. Shanti, who helped me to understanding and building this cloud environment.
Okay, great. Saikal. So you are going to work with Python scripts some more, right, in Boto3?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, this is very cool things. Yes.
Yeah, initiation. Let's start.